Hello, and welcome to this geometric drawing tutorial. Today, I'll guide you through creating a beautiful pattern step by step. Let's get started. First, we need to establish the center of our paper. Using your pencil, mark the center point and label it as O. This will be our reference point for the entire drawing. Next, measure and mark a small line 12 centimeters above the center point O. Then, do the same 12 centimeters below the center point O. These marks will help us do accurate markings in the next steps. Now, let's draw a circle. Using a technical pen with size of 0.05 millimeters, draw a circle with a diameter of 24 centimeters, ensuring it passes through the points we marked earlier. The points where the circle intersects with the vertical lines should be labeled as T for the top and L for the bottom. Without changing the size of your compass, mark 2 additional points on the circle using point L as a reference. Label these new points as B and C. These will be essential for the next steps. Using your technical compass, start marking every 1 centimeter on the circle, beginning from point T and moving towards point B. Make sure you have a total of 25 markings between T and B. These markings will guide us in drawing precise lines for our pattern. Mark other sections with the same method. Next, draw 3 radius lines from points T, B, and C, extending to the center point O. Along each of these radius lines, mark every 1 centimeter. These marks will serve as additional guides for our line drawing process. You might wonder why precision is so crucial in geometric art. Well, each line and mark we make builds upon the previous one. Small errors can add up, leading to a final piece that doesn't look quite right. That's why taking the time to measure accurately at the beginning is so important. Now, let's start drawing the lines. Begin by drawing a line from the first 1 cm mark on the circle at point T, which we'll call T1, to the first 1 cm mark on the radius line at point O, or O1. Shift 1 point aside and draw the next line. Continuing this process to create connecting lines between the subsequent markings. Repeat the same procedure for the sections from B to O and C to O. This step requires patience, but the result will be worth it. After completing all the lines, it's time to clean up the artwork. Erase all the pencil markings to give your drawing a neat and professional look. Then, using your compass, draw another circle with a diameter of 24 centimeters around the completed design. Adjust your compass slightly to make the circle a bit larger, and draw another circle to create a thicker outer circle. This step adds emphasis and finalizes your artwork beautifully. Final touches can make a big difference in your artwork. Adding that thicker outer circle, for example, gives our design a bold, finished look. Always take a step back and see if there are any small adjustments or enhancements you can make. Sometimes, those little details can elevate your work from good to great. And there you have it, your geometric pattern is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more art tutorials. See you next time.